I invite Chinese investors to explore a wide array of opportunities and priority sectors in Kenya that are ripe with opportunity. From manufacturing, we offer promising prospects ranging from textiles and pharmaceuticals to electric mobility and construction materials, all supported by Kenya's expanding industrial base. In agriculture and agro-processing, where our rich agricultural base offers a double-digit return, our ICT and BPO sector, housing and construction, tourism, creative economy, mining, and blue economy are other sectors that have wide-ranging opportunities for investment. We offer a balanced portfolio of sectors for all of you to consider. With our strategic location along global trade routes, as part of the Belt and Road Initiative, we offer world-class connectivity that augments the business ecosystem on the African continent and beyond, offering investors a natural entry point into Africa's next wave of industrialization, innovation, and cross-border trade. Kenya is open for business. Our country is undergoing rapid transformation, which constitutes the fourth medium-term plan of our Vision 2030. This agenda is anchored on 5 key pillars: agricultural transformation, universal health coverage, affordable housing, the digital and creative economy, and the development and expansion of micro, small, and medium enterprises. As we mark 6 decades of diplomatic and economic cooperation between Kenya and China, my current visit seeks to chart a new course towards mutual prosperity. We are seeking strategic partnerships to expand our infrastructure, including transport, energy, logistics, and urban development.
We strongly believe that the growth and development of Kenya in trade and commerce is not mutually exclusive to the growth of China. So as the China trade grows, so can the Kenyan trade. And we also want to encourage our business people to take advantage of that, and we'll be having conversations around how we can be able to open more exports to this country, and I think also to encourage our tourists, especially from here, who have not visited